Right, let's go for a little fly around the house. Feel like a fly. I'm using the Cetus today, Cetus X. So we're in manual mode. Get above that ground effect. Down the stairs. Go out the door. Around the garden a bit. I've got the window upstairs open. Straight in. I've actually opened this window as well, but this is going to be a bit sketchy, this one. Oh, look, this. Oh, yeah! You see the analog signal break up a little bit there. Right, let's try and come in here. Got to focus. Up the stairs. Whoa! Ah! It's all going wrong. Where is it? Oh god, it's literally halfway hanging out the window. And there's literally like plants just shredded everywhere around this house at the moment. Right. Let's go again. It's probably going to be a bad idea taking off here. Do it quickly, I'll be alright. There's no way I'm going to be able to come in that other window. Right, let's go into the kitchen. Oh, we've got a low battery. We're having so much fun. I'm just literally... think I better come in and change my battery. Should we come in the top window way? Oh, a little bit of a breeze. Whoa, land on my head. Right. Okay. So, I need some batteries. I need some more batteries. So there's a couple downstairs. This is such a good blast, this little Cetus. I mean, they sent me this as like a sort of review model, but I've been using it actually as like a kind of bit of a trainer, you know, for the smaller gaps and stuff, getting around through the house. Obviously, it's not like anywhere near the speed or stability of the, you know, the other stuff I sort of fly, but I mean, stability is still good. I shouldn't say that actually. Right, let's get going. Right, let's have another little go. So obviously I'm using, I'm not using the box goggles that come with it because they're not, in my opinion, I've got better, so why would I bother using something else? So that's why I'm using my DJIs, and the image quality is amazing. I mean, look at that, that's analog, it's just crazy. I mean, it obviously does break up a bit, but it's good. Right, let's get going. Ooh. Let's have a little pootle around here. My camera tilt isn't crazy. See the analog breaking up there? If you were doing this on digital, it'd be completely rock solid. There'd be no issues with the video feed at all. You could probably go halfway down the street as well and it'd be absolutely fine. I don't know if I should I chance going in here? This is sketchy, and the video signal is starting to, oh god, it froze then. No, this is too, I'm bailing. Come on guys, we can do it, we can do it. No! It keeps freezing actually. I think that is the digital element. I'm going to shut up and concentrate. No! It's stuck to the wall. We're going all the way down. So, right, we're just outside the front now. Get it started. So the signal on this controller is actually really good. The video is obviously struggling a bit, but the signal on the controller is brilliant. It's FR Sky, but it's a lot better than the previous one. The other Cetus was... No! Are we sideways? Looks like we might be in I don't know what's happened now. Sometimes this button here does the channels. Oh, there it is. I think that was it, but the signal's so terrible. Right, I'm going to go and retrieve it. It's not going to happen. It's durable. It doesn't break. Right, let's have one more blast on this battery before it's done. Go in here. Oh dear. It's great to fly around here though, because it's literally just like all this frontage is. Oh, I felt that hit me. I thought I saw a crack in it, but it's just literally just like a little scuff. Yeah, I mean it's so strong. Just if you want to learn, this thing's just absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I've got to get a full circuit in. Shred up the old daffs. Right, going for top window. Fail. So, I mean the wind is just causing me issues here. Oh, it's not my flying. Oh, all the way down.